Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Civilization 6 for beginners. First, select a civilization and leader that matches your preferred playstyle. Then, choose a beginner-friendly difficulty like Settler or Chieftain. Explore your starting area to find a good spot for your first city. Look for fresh water and valuable resources. Found your city on a strong tile to ensure a solid foundation for your empire. Once your first city is established, train a scout to explore the vast map and uncover ancient ruins or natural wonders. Prioritize researching technologies and civics that unlock essential early-game buildings and units. Aim to found a second city within the first 50 turns to expand your empire and gather more resources. Remember to produce builders to improve your city tiles, boosting their output significantly. Effective city management is crucial for success. Learn about city yields like food for growth, production for building, gold for trade, and science for research. Construct specialized districts, such as the campus for science or industrial zone for production, to boost your city's focus. Assign your citizens to work the best tiles, and always maintain high amenities to keep your population happy and productive, preventing unrest. As your empire grows, focus on one of the 6 distinct victory conditions: science, culture, domination, religion, diplomacy, or score. Develop a strong military to protect your cities and deter potential aggressors. Engage in diplomacy with other leaders, forming alliances or declaring war as needed. Your long-term strategy should always align with your chosen victory path, guiding your decisions throughout the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.